What are some common causes of diabetes? What are some common causes of diabetes?
Uh, heart problems.
Yes, beta?
Heart problems.
No. Rehan, you don't remember and you don't open your book and revise. That is why you don't remember anything. The main
Actually,
causes of diabetes was uh, hormonal imbalance, unhealthy eating habits, obese, overweight. Were these the causes of diabetes?
yeah,
Now tell me.
we have told all these symptoms. Like you have told everything.
Acha, repeat and tell me na what
Oh,
all have
yeah.
told.
कौन सा subject कर
And yes, Rehan, some common causes of
Yeah.
diabetes.
Yes,
Quickly.
ma'am. Hormonal changes. Eating not eating balanced diet and due to lifestyle changes.
Overweight, obese.
Yeah.
All these are some common causes of diabetes.
Yes, ma'am. You are right.
Yeah, I know I'm right. See, I was talking about how to prevent these diseases. How to prevent these diseases. So उसमें पहला तो था हमारा environmental and social changes. What were the environmental and social changes? Tell me. That we should do in our lives to prevent the diseases.
We are just revising yesterday's topics.
Beta, to move further, we have to know what we have studied. How can I abruptly start from anywhere?
Okay. Yeah. So, what was your question? How to prevent the control? How to prevent and control?
How
We
to
can.
prevent and control diseases, and tell me some environmental and social measures. Environmental and social measures that we should take to prevent the spread of these diseases and control these diseases. Tell me.
A healthy lifestyle. Firstly,
Environmental and social, I'm asking. I'm not asking about our personal prevention.
keeping our surrounding clean. Is it correct?
Yes, beta?
I've said right now said that keeping our surrounding clean.
Keeping our surroundings clean, and I have told you multiple times, like washing hands regularly, thoroughly and frequently, and covering
But that's
our
not
nose
total.
and
No, I have more. We should control on the insects that causes diseases. There should be no still water around us. The air quality, the air index should be uh, the air quality should be more good in our surrounding, and we should we should plant more trees so that we could get
beta,
more oxygen.
uh, air quality. How can we alter the air quality? Air quality is not in our hands, right? Air to jo hai wo that we have to breathe. Yeah, we can have some measures in our
Can't live
daily
in
life,
factories.
changes in our
We can't live near factories like the places where the air quality is more.
yeah, and It was there na ki we should wear masks in crowded places so that the spread of airborne disease is negligible, right?
And we should always cover our nose and mouth whenever we sneeze or like do something that is wrong.
Yes, and one more, complete isolation of a person who is infected with a
Eh,
communicable disease so that
Yeah,
people around don't get the same disease.
if it is having a disease, but otherwise no need of that.
Yes, 1 minute, I'm coming. Rehan, beta, we are having some mic issues. Just give me 5 minutes and I'm continuing with the class, okay?
Okay, Kumami, no worries. You can just.
Rehan, am I audible to you, beta?
Yeah, Mami, you were audible and you are all audible. Yes, yes.
Okay, okay, ठीक है. चल रहा है उधर ये. Okay, Rehan. So, yeah, these were some community or the environmental or the social measures that we should take to prevent the disease. Now, one very important prevention that we should that we have in our body also, that is a defense mechanism. Our body has a defense mechanism.
Okay.
डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म का मतलब होता है हमारी बॉडी की जो लड़ने की शक्ति है, डिफेंस करने की शक्ति है, कि वो कितनी बीमारियों को डिफेंस कर सकती है. आवर बॉडी हैज सम डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म
Like
inherited in it.
antibodies. Antibodies. You're talking about antibodies.
I'm talking about the I'm talking about the immunity. Immunity in our body, acquired immunity and natural immunity. So the defense mechanism in our body is our natural immunity. and acquired What do you understand by natural immunity? It is the natural ability of our body to fight with the diseases. It is the natural ability of our body to fight with the diseases. हमारी body like अब अगर हमें कोई common cold हो जाता है या हमें normal सा infection हो जाता है, nose, sore throat or something like that, sometimes even without taking medicines our body recover through it. Why do it recover? Because we have our immunity system to fight back those diseases. Rehan, have you understood what is a natural immunity?
Yes, ma'am.
So what it is? It is the natural immunity का क्या मतलब हुआ? It is the natural ability of our body to fight against the disease causing
Yeah,
pathogens or
the
antibodies.
immunity that you are born with it.
Yes, beta?
It's an immunity with which you are born.
Yeah, it is our immunity which we are not born with an immunity system. Our immunity is developed over time. हमारी immunity over time develop हो जाती है. Now, see, if a foreigner comes in India and is prone to such harsh pollution or harsh environment, so
Yeah.
he or she falls sick. कोई भी foreigner India आता है वो बहुत easily sick हो जाता है, right? मतलब
Yes, ma'am.
बाहर घूमने से ही they have problem in breathing, they have breathing issues, they have infections and all. Why do they have those diseases? Why do they have those infections? Because their body is not used to the pollution that we are used to. उनकी बॉडी वो यूज टू नहीं है, तो हम कभी भी इम्यूनिटी के साथ, इम्यूनिटी सिस्टम के साथ बॉन्ड नहीं होते. हमारे इन्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से हमारी बॉडी की इम्यूनिटी बनती जाती है. Like when we are babies को कितना, babies are subjected to diseases so much. Babies को कितना संभाल के, कितना protection में रखा जाता है so that they don't get infected with any kind of fever and all, because to cure them it is difficult because उनकी body अभी ready नहीं है to fight back those diseases. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So immunity is developed over time. As we grow, the immunity system grows. So what is natural immunity, Rehan? Tell me. I just told you.
It is an immunity with which we are born with.
No, again you are saying born with. अभी तो मैंने बोला it is developed over time. We are not born with it. बेटा you don't understand English. मैं हिंदी में पढ़ाऊं. हम लोग नेचुरल इम्यूनिटी के साथ बॉर्न नहीं होते हैं, वो ओवर टाइम, विथ टाइम हमारी बॉडी में डेवलप होती है. जैसे जैसे हमको बीमारियां होती जाती हैं, उन बीमारियों से हमारी बॉडी रेडी हो जाती है कि नेक्स्ट टाइम अब ये जब बीमारी इनको होगी देन आई कैन फाइट बैक दैट डिजीज. तो वो नेचुरल इम्यूनिटी भी हमारी बॉडी का इम्यूनिटी सिस्टम विथ टाइम डेवलप होता है. So it is the
Okay.
natural ability of our body to fight against the disease causing germs or bacteria or pathogens. So it is the
Okay.
natural ability of our body
I'm understanding it, but just it wasn't like I just can't listen that point. That's why I understand it. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Yeah, I thought that you. I'm not audible. Uh,
Yes, now read the definition of natural immunity. What is a natural immunity?
the the natural ability of our body is to fight against diseases causing agents.
Yes, it is the natural ability of our body to fight against disease causing agents. Now,
And
what is an acquired immunity. Acquired immunity is the protection that we developed after being exposed to a pathogen or vaccine. जब हमको कोई वैक्सीन इंजेक्ट होती है या कोई पैथोजन हमको, when we are sick with a disease, the next time that disease happen, तो हमारी बॉडी वो उस डिजीज को मतलब क्या बोलते हैं, उस डिजीज को फाइट करने के लिए रेडी होती है. दैट इज acquired immunity. Protection developed by the acquiration, by the by acquiring vaccines, by acquiring पैथोजन. जब हमारी बॉडी प्रोटेक्शन डेवलप कर लेती है वैक्सीन और पैथोजन से, दैट इज व्हाट acquired immunity is. It is the protection developed.
Protection developed after exposure to pathogens. Okay. Just like vaccine. Ma'am, just like vaccine, right?
यस बेटा, वैक्सीन जब हमें लग जाती है तो हमें उस बॉडी को फाइट, हमारी बॉडी में उस बॉडी को फाइट, उस डिजीज को फाइट करने के लिए पहले से ही वो पैथोजेंस डाल दिए जाते हैं. सो वी आर बॉडी इज यूज्ड टू दैट. तो हमारी, हमें वो बीमारी होती ही नहीं है. दैट इज व्हाट वैक्सीन के
Okay.
बारे में अभी आई विल टेल. जस्ट understand what is acquired immunity. Acquired immunity is the protection developed by our body after our exposure to pathogen or a vaccine. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
तो acquired immunity में our body is trained, हमारी बॉडी ट्रेंड होती है to fight against germs. हमारी बॉडी को ट्रेन किया जाता है to fight against, to fight or recognize, to fight or recognize.
So what if our body didn't fight, but it recognized the what do we say, the pathogen? Then
See, if we are subjected to a disease, हमारे like एक नॉर्मल एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ. कोविड-19 जब हुआ था, द फर्स्ट टाइम हमें जब कोविड-19 कोरोना हो रहा था, सो इट वाज अ रियली रियली डेडली डिजीज. वो बहुत खतरनाक रूप में कोरोना होता था. ठीक है, पहली बार जब सबको कोरोना हुआ था तो फिर वो बहुत डेडली, बहुत लोगों की लाइफ गई थी एंड ऑल. But with time, जब second time, like I had corona for the first time, it was, मतलब it was horrific and terrific. It was so bad, deadly disease. Then the second time when I had corona, it was not that deadly. I मतलब मुझे इतनी problems नहीं हुई जो मुझे first time में थी. Why? Because my body has recognized those germs. उसने कहा कि यार ये तो मैं used to हूँ, ये तो मुझे पहले भी हुआ है, तो इस बार भी मैं fight back कर लूंगा. So that is why our body recognizes and is ready to fight with the germ, because उसने उससे पहले भी डील कर चुका है. बट जब पहली बार वो डील करता है ना, सो उसे समझ नहीं आता है दैट how to deal with these types of pathogens. Now clear, Rehan?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. तो acquired immunity में क्या होता है? Our body is trained or trained to fight or recognize germs. Clear? immunity वाला part clear हो गया?
Yeah, I understand the natural immunity and the acquired immunity both.
Very good. Now can we move forward? What is
Yeah.
immunity? Immunity is the defense mechanism of our body. हमारी बॉडी की
Yeah.
फाइट करने की क्षमता, हमारी बॉडी कितनी केपेबल है टू फाइट बैक आर डिजीज, फाइट बैक द डिजीजेस, इज व्हाट इम्यूनिटी इज. देन नेचुरल एंड एक्वायर्ड इम्यूनिटी, जो हमारी बॉडी की नेचुरल एबिलिटी है बीमारियों से और बीमारी वाले जर्म्स से लड़ने की, that is what natural immunity is. And then talking about acquired immunity, it is the protection developed when we are exposed to a pathogen or a vaccine. Clear, Rehan? Now
Yes,
I want, okay, now I don't want you to forget these things because you are very.
I will not. I was just not able to like, recall it.
Okay.
And like I have French also, so I do French also right now.
Yes,
And
beta?
if you want, like I have other subject also, so and if you want, so I could revise half an hour before your class.
Yeah, that is your responsibility. It is not like I want. I will
Yeah,
to
like
come teach and you should be revising and learning what all I'm teaching. I'm to doing my job. Okay. Now moving on, we have vaccines and how do they work. सबसे पहले बेटा do you have any idea about vaccine? कुछ भी हो हिंदी में you can tell me. कुछ भी वैक्सीन के बारे में पता है?
about vaccine,
Yes.
like the process of vaccine, that process or about it.
Yes, बेटा.
Are you talking about process vaccination or about the medicine vaccine?
Tell me the common definition of vaccine or the common कुछ भी वैक्सीन के बारे में पता है? Just tell me that.
It is to develop adaptive immunity against the infectious diseases.
Yeah, kind of. Yeah, ठीक है. वैक्सीन बनती कैसे है? How is vaccine made? Preparation.
Vaccines are made by dead or the unharmful part of any what do we say of any pathogen.
See, what happens? Vaccine is made from weakened pathogens, dead
Yeah.
pathogens, या inactive parts या फिर harmless parts of a germ. तो ये किससे बनता है? It is made from weakened pathogens, dead pathogens, तो वैक्सीन कैसे बनती है? वीकेंड पैथोजेंस हमारी बॉडी में वायरसेस लाइक वायरस बैक्टीरिया ये सब से जो हमारी बॉडी में डिजीजेस होती हैं तो व्हाट अ वैक्सीन क्या होती है? वैक्सीन उस पैथोजन को लेती है और उसके वीकेंड पैथोजन वो इतना स्ट्रांग नहीं होता कि वो हमारी बॉडी में जाके कोई बीमारी फैला पाए. वो बहुत ही वीक पैथोजन होता है, डेड पैथोजन होता है, इनएक्टिव पार्ट और हार्मलेस जो कि हार्मलेस होते हैं जो हमारी बॉडी में जाके वो बीमारियां नहीं फैलाएंगे. बट व्हाट विल दे डू लेट मी टेल यू. हमारी बॉडी में जब कोई एक पैथोजन डाला जाएगा चलो लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ कोविड-19 वैक्सीन ओनली. कोविड-19 का वैक्सीन मुझे लगा सो व्हाट हैपेंड उसमें जो कोविड-19 बीमारी के जो पॉजिटिव एजेंट यानी जो वायरस था उसका जो डेड पार्ट है या बहुत वीक पार्ट है, ये जो हार्मलेस पार्ट है, वो इंजेक्ट कर दिया गया मेरी बॉडी में. सो नाउ व्हाट माय बॉडी विल डू इज दैट इट विल डेवलप अ डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म. वो उस बॉडी के लिए इम्यूनिटी अपनी बना लेगा, सो दैट जब मुझे कोविड-19 होगा, सो माय बॉडी विल नॉट रिएक्ट टू दैट डिजीज, क्योंकि उसे ऑलरेडी पता है हाउ टू फाइट बैक एंड हाउ टू रिकॉग्नाइज द वायरस. क्लियर? वैक्सीन क्या करती है और कैसे बनती है?
Yes, ma'am.
वेरी क्लियरली. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. बट एक बात और, अगर मुझे कोई डिजीज हो गई है, लाइक मुझे कोविड-19 हो गया है और मैं अभी कोविड-19 से सफर कर रही हूँ, एंड देन आई गेट अ वैक्सीन, तो माय बॉडी विल नॉट, मेरी कोविड-19 ठीक नहीं होगा. आई हैव टू टेक द मेडिकेशंस एंड ऑल. वैक्सीन क्या करती है? आपको वो बीमारी होने नहीं देगी, बट अगर आपको वो बीमारी हो रखी है, तो वो वैक्सीन अगर आपने इंजेक्ट करा लिया, तो वो बीमारी खत्म भी नहीं करेगा. सो व्हाट डज अ वैक्सीन डू? इट प्रिवेंट क्या, वो बीमारी को हमें होने नहीं देगी. बट अगर ऑलरेडी हो रखी है, इफ वी आर ऑलरेडी सफरिंग फ्रॉम अ डिजीज, so that vaccine will not cure that disease. हमें पूरा उसका पूरा वो लेना ही पड़ेगा, क्योर करवाना ही पड़ेगा. लाइक वी हैव टू टेक द प्रॉपर मेडिकेशंस फॉर दैट डिजीज. वैक्सीन इंजेक्ट कराने से वो डिजीज नहीं गायब हो जाएगी. वैक्सीन अगर हमने पहले से ही करा रखा है, तो हमारी बॉडी में वो बीमारी होगी नहीं. यार
But
बॉडी.
at what age does the vaccine happens?
यस मैम. यस बेटा.
At what age the vaccine happens?
बेटा, वी हैव वैक्सीन्स सो throughout हमारे till like I think till 14 years we have a vaccine. हमारी बॉडी में वैक्सीन्स लगती जाती हैं to develop the डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म इन आर बॉडी. के हमारी बॉडी में अगर कभी हेपेटाइटिस होने की चांसेस है, तो हमारी बॉडी को ऑलरेडी वो डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म पता हो कि हेपेटाइटिस को फाइट कैसे करते हैं. सो आई थिंक टिल 14, एंड देन अगर कोई ऐसी बीमारियां लाइक कोविड-19 और सम वेरी क्या बोलते हैं उसको, कोविड-19 वाज अ 1 minute I forgot. महामारी जिसे कहते, क्या बोलते हैं? व्हाट इज द इंग्लिश वर्ड फॉर दैट?
For what?
महामारी.
Kahamari?
कोविड-19 कौन सी डिजीज थी? वेट यार, आई फॉरगेट. हाउ कैन आई फॉरगेट? महामारी.
Are you talking about Mahamari? It's pandemic, ma'am.
Sorry, pandemic. Yeah. So COVID-19 was a pandemic, and if we have diseases जो कभी ऐसे abruptly spread होने लगे, और जो it was a pandemic time, right? So वो बीमारियों के time हमारे पास vaccines आ जाती हैं, and we all have to get injected at whatever age we are. So I think till 14 we are advised to get different types of vaccines. Now, I just told you what is the function. This is the preparation. How are they prepared? They are prepared from weakened pathogens, from dead pathogens, and from harmless parts of the germs. Now, what is the function? What is the function of a vaccine? I have already told you. मैंने vaccine के बारे में already सब बता रखा है. So what is a function? क्या function होता है vaccine का?
It's an acquired immunity that helps us to it is an acquired immunity that helps us to sustain.
To sustain?
Yeah.
No. Try once more.
I pronounced the definition of acquired immunity.
Yeah, it is an acquired immunity. That is correct. It is an acquired immunity.
So, let me think.
I just told you, na, Vaccine train our body to recognize, fight, and destroy the
And
disease
develop our
causing
body.
germs.
And develop our body.
Yeah, it train our body. It train our body's immunity system to fight, destroy, and recognize disease causing organisms. Disease causing organisms. So, what is the function of a vaccine? Tell me.
What?
What is the function of a vaccine? It trains our
Develop
body. Yes.
to develop an antibody in our body. And it trains our body to and it trains our body immunity to fight and destroy and recognize diseases.
Disease causing germs.
Organisms.
And when we get the vaccine, क्या हमें वो डिजीज होती है? लाइक अगर हमने कोविड-19 का पैथोजन तो कोविड-19 का वायरस, डेड वायरस अपने अंदर इंजेक्ट करा लिया, तो क्या वो डेड वायरस मेरे बॉडी के अंदर जाके कोविड-19 फैलाएगा?
No.
No, yes. So they do this function, they perform this function without causing the actual disease, without causing actual disease. Okay.
Now.
Some examples of vaccine, कुछ examples दो vaccine के, कौन कौन किस चीजों की vaccine होती हैं?
Tuberculosis.
Yeah.
Cholera, typhoid, every disease, every non-communicable disease.
Yeah, non-communicable diseases have. But does cancer have a vaccine?
No.
That is also a non-communicable disease. So you cannot say that ki all non.
But the cancer does not have because it is a self like it can be cured only by medicines. And the vaccine has not been made till now
Yeah.
of cancer.
It is a chronic disease and we still don't have a cure of it. So you cannot say that all non-communicable diseases have a vaccine.
Yeah, not all diseases have.
Yeah. Tetanus. Have you heard of tetanus ki vaccine?
Yeah, it is said that whenever a sharp end of metal or an iron when it is went in your body, it can cause tetanus in your body.
Yeah, very good.
But
Whenever
what is tetanus in reality?
tetanus is a disease, wait, I'll find a picture and show you. It is a very deadly disease. All the muscles and joints of our body get kadak ho jate hain, get very stiff, and it is a very deadly disease. Wait, I'll show you a picture.
On the mobile phone.
Yes, मैं बना थोड़ी पाऊंगी.
Amateur therapy should not be in AC for a longer time.
See, this is how our body becomes if we have tetanus. It is a very deadly disease.
I can't see. I didn't see.
Yes, beta?
I didn't see. I can't see.
Acha, wait. Where is my...
But I saw. But that was a normal human body.
That was not a normal human body. All the muscles and bones became stiff.
Ma'am, I couldn't see the picture like very finely, but I saw a human body only.
Look here.
I
Now
can't
can
see anything.
now can you see?
It's a it's it's let it be. I will research on the mobile phone later on my laptop.
Yeah, so this is how deadly tetanus disease is. So that it is advised that when we get a cut or when we get a wound from anything or of iron or steel or aluminum, we are advised to get tetanus shot done. Okay, now what is left in your book? Let me check and tell me what have I not taught you. Check in your book, beta, and tell me, is there anything left which I have to teach you?
Ma'am, I'm not having my book right now, so you can only check. Sorry.
Yeah, antibiotics is left.
Only.
Acha, like vaccine in ancient time, there was a process called virulation. Virulation करके एक process होता था. Let me give a quick.
Violation.
Yes,
No, I'm not listening about violation.
variolation like this.
What's the spelling? You just said the spelling.
Variolation. Have you heard of that term?
No.
Okay, I will tell you. Like in modern times, in these times, we have vaccines. In ancient time, what people had was variolation. What they did was they scratched a healthy person's skin. They scratched healthy person's skin and using and what they did,
You're
देखो
talking
एक
about Tikidar.
yes beta,
Are you talking about Tikidar?
yes beta,
Are you talking about TKdars?
या टीकेदार्स द प्रैक्टिशनर्स जो कि वैल्यूलेशन करते हैं उनको टीकेदार्स बोलते हैं. सो व्हाट डिड दे डू, लेट मी टेल यू. They scratched a healthy person. Like suppose if I'm a healthy person, they scratched me using a dead material. कोई dead material लिया और मुझे scratch कर दिया उस चीज से. Now what they did was एक smallpox वाला मरीज था. There was a person suffering from smallpox. They took the pus or they took a little amount of infection from that person suffering from smallpox, जो कि मेरी बॉडी में आके very little amount of that infection, and they come and they put it in my body, in that scratched wala portion they put it, so that my body develop a immunity system for smallpox. तो variolation ऐसा होता था. हेल्दी पर्सन की बॉडी को स्क्रैच करते थे और फिर स्मॉल पर्सन से वो जो सॉरी सफरिंग पर्सन से या इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन से वो डिजीज का थोड़ा पोर्शन लाते थे, वेरी लिटिल पोर्शन, सो दैट जो हेल्दी पर्सन है वो बीमार भी ना हो, उससे वो बीमारी हो भी ना, बट द बॉडी develops a defense mechanism to fight with that disease. Clear what is
Okay.
variolation?
Okay, yes, ma'am.
And the TKdars are the practitioners who practiced and does variolation, who was specialized in doing variolation. Sorry. So the people who were specialized in doing this immunization were known as टीकेदार्स. So variolation clear हो गया. क्या होता है process, क्या होता है variolation का? How does a टीकेदार perform variolation? कैसे एक टीकेदार variolation करता है? Tell me, I just told you.
Yeah, I know. They do variolation by taking, like, first they scratch a healthy human body through a dead organism, a dead material, and the person who is having chicken pox, they would insert.
Smallpox. Chickenpox was not there at that time. Smallpox was there,
Yes,
and it was an even more deadly disease. उस time पे ये बहुत deadly disease हुआ करता था, smallpox. So the practitioners, yeah. Now continue what you were saying.
I was saying that they would now insert, like, they would just take that smallpox disease person, scratch the material, and then they would do it.
Yeah, so that the healthy person develops a immunity system for that disease to fight against that disease. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. और वैक्सीनेशन के कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट रोल्स और इम्पोर्टेंट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होते हैं. मैंने बताया था ना दैट इट इज जस्ट प्रिवेंटिव. इट इज स्ट्रिक्टली प्रिवेंटिव एंड नॉट क्यूरेटिव. इट इज स्ट्रिक्टली प्रिवेंटिव. वो सिर्फ प्रिवेंट करता है, नॉट क्यूरेटिव. वो क्योर नहीं करता है. So the first role or a characteristic of vaccination is that it is strictly preventive, not curative. Clear?
Yes, clear now.
Tell me the first characteristic of vaccination.
Characters.
Yes, beta?
Like, in what terms? Like what?
The first role or the first characteristic I just told you na, that it is
Yeah.
preventive, not curative. It just
Yeah.
trains our body to fight against
Yeah, so,
disease.
like, if you're having any disease, like, we can take COVID-19, as you said, and if you insert the vaccine at that time, so it would not work. But if you have COVID-19 next time, the second time, so it would work, because your body knows that this disease, it has happened, and it now we have to just, like, work on it.
Yeah, and the second one is the second characteristic of a vaccine is that safety wala criteria कि before launching a vaccine to public use के लिए कोई vaccine को launch करने से पहले उसका development R&D सुना है, research and development. R&D is very strong. उस चीज का रिसर्च और डेवलपमेंट में बहुत सारे सेफ्टी टेस्ट किए जाते हैं एंड देन अ वैक्सीन इज लॉन्च टू इंश्योर कि वो सेफ है फॉर पब्लिक यूज. एंड देन द थर्ड एंड द लास्ट वन कि when we are getting vaccinated, सिर्फ हम अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं किसी डिजीज से, अपने आप को प्रिवेंट नहीं कर रहे हैं किसी डिजीज से, बट हम एक डेडली डिजीज का प्रिवेंशन ओवरऑल सोशली कर रहे हैं कि अगर मुझे नहीं होगा, so the people around me will also not get infected. So getting vaccinated not only prevents diseases for us, but also for the social environment we are in. Clear?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. नाउ एंटीबायोटिक्स व्हाट आर, अब देखो हमने प्रिवेंशन पढ़ लिया. नाउ क्योर, क्योर कैसे होगा, ट्रीटमेंट कैसे होगा? ट्रीटमेंट के लिए वी हैव एंटीबायोटिक्स. And I think this is the last thing that you have in your chapter. If any, you go and check if anything will be left, tell me on Monday and then I will teach you that also, okay?
They aren't having class on Sunday.
No, there will be no class on Sunday. Sunday is off.
Okay, Sunday's off. Okay, move on.
So, what are antibiotics? We have only 7 minutes left. Quickly, I will tell you. Antibiotic is a medicines prescribed by the doctors to kill
Hmm.
Antibiotics are the medicines prescribed by the doctors. Rehan, are you paying attention?
Yes, ma'am.
So, antibiotics are the medicines prescribed by the doctors to stop the growth of, to stop or kill the growth of disease causing bacteria. Only the bacteria, not all pathogens. Antibiotics सारे pathogens के लिए नहीं होती है. It is only for bacteria. Very important to remember. It is only for the disease caused by bacteria. Not virus, not protozoa, worms, उन सब के लिए antibiotics नहीं होती हैं, but for the growth or of bacteria, disease caused by bacteria.
Okay.
And I told you antibiotics are not effective to the diseases or the illness caused by virus, protozoa or anything. It is only effective for the diseases caused by the bacteria, and they target, like they if this is a bacteria, they target specific parts of the bacteria to destroy its growth, ताकि ये रिप्रोड्यूस ना कर सके, ये अपने आप को ग्रो ना कर सके, एंड इसको किल करने का भी ट्राई करती हैं एंटीबायोटिक्स. So I
Okay.
think that is it. And let me see, is there anything else left? History of vaccination. How was vaccination being formed? यानी कैसे पता चला था कि ऐसा कुछ कर सकते हैं वीकेंड चीजों को लेकर, वीकेंड बीमारी वाले पैथोजेंस को लेकर अगर हम हेल्दी पर्सन में इंजेक्ट कर दें तो हमारी बॉडी वो डेवलप कर लेती है. ये कैसे पता चला था? देयर वाज अ हिस्ट्री बिहाइंड दिस. So there was a scientist named Edward Jenner.
I know about it.
Edward Jenner. What
Yeah.
he did? Yes, beta.
I know about the history of vaccine.
Tell
Yes.
me.
So it was an accidental invention.
Hmm.
So when Edward Jenner was like having a like he was doing a research on the bacteria and viruses. So what
Yeah.
happened that what?
हाँ बोलिए.
Then so he left a petri dish containing the bacteria. So he forget, and then then he went. Then when he came next day, he saw that petri dish had a green covering. Then that he called as mold. So he saw that mold has destroyed all the bacteria that was present in the petri dish.
Okay.
And then the vaccination was described and the vaccination was discovered.
No, this is not the correct history.
Then what was it?
Smallpox की वैक्सीन इन्होंने डेवलप करी थी. एंड हाउ व्हाट ही डिड वाज ही सॉ दैट काऊ और मिल्क मेड्स
I know that. Okay, that was something else, I think. Yeah. Are you talking about that cowpox that happened to the milkmaids, and then he saw that the milkmaids who had cowpox didn't have smallpox. So what he did that he put cowpox in one of a small boy, and then he saw that that boy was not having a smallpox. So through that he made the the smallpox vaccination.
Yes, very good. You already know history of vaccination. If you have any questions regarding this chapter, beta, you can ask me on Monday, okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much for joining. You can leave
Okay.
the class, Rehman.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.